there's a couple of poster flashes, I believe. Is it Learnmore is one, and Akashdeep, right? You're here. So please move up. And the first one is Learnmore, okay? And his talk is Geographic-based phenolic compound variations in South African Schinus molle pepper.
Greetings from South Africa. It's a pleasure to come and share some of the work that we're doing in Africa. So I'll be presenting on geographic-based phenolic compound variations in South Africa's Schinus molle peppercorns. Okay, we have noticed that the environment plays a very crucial role in as far as secondary metabolite production in plants is concerned. I'm not going to elaborate further because this is a poster, but some of them that I may mention: temperature, salinity, nitrogen availability, all those, they contribute to production of secondary metabolites. However, profiling plant secondary metabolites is very crucial. It's very, very important because it has been shown that nitrogen availability has been shown to increase the production of alkaloids and many other compounds. Now, Schinus molle. This is Schinus molle. Ladies and gentlemen, this plant is considered as invasive in our country, but at the same time, it's very important because it has got immense potential as a pseudospice. Very, very important. But like I said earlier, profiling was done to elucidate the influence of geography on secondary metabolite distribution for potential optimization in agriculture, in therapeutic, among other applications. Very quickly, we did sampling in two regions in South Africa, the Eastern Cape and the Western Cape respectively, and we used the UPLC, CTOF, MS analysis to check some of the compounds. This is a list of those compounds, which I will not run through for now. I'll also show you that this is the distribution of the heat map and also the TCA and VIP scores. For further details, ladies and gentlemen, as I was coming, I lost my poster on board, yes. But it was a blessing in disguise because just after losing my poster, my paper was published. Here it is. So for details, yes. Thank you very much. So for details, feel free to engage with this paper and you get the details. Thank you very much.
All right, congratulations on that paper. Akashdeep, where's that? Welcome Akashdeep to the stage. His talk is Future of Selection is Spectral. Objective UAB phenotyping can be efficient HTP method to evaluate yield, performance, and wheat hybrids. Take.
Hello everyone, my name is Akashdeep and I'm a second year PhD student working in small grain breeding program with Catherine Fells and Blaine Johnson at the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. My paper is on way. It's my bad luck that I am not able to publish my paper, but it will be soon. So let's talk about a crop which we eat in our daily lives, the wheat. And I will not spend time showing the importance of wheat. I think everyone knows. So my project is based on hybrid wheat. And so first of all, why hybrids? Because hybrids are having a better potential to produce more yield and to survive under adverse climate conditions. I know there is always a boom and bust cycle for hybrid wheat, and it's fun to work with hybrid wheat. So the future of selection is spectral. I think not the future, the present of selection in breeding programs is spectral. Now, in breeding program, UAV phenotyping is used a lot. to predict the hybrid performance or to evaluate your further selections in your breeding programs. So in this project, I'm using UAV-based phenotyping as an effective method to evaluate the performance of hybrids, because we are using chemical hybridizing agent to produce the hybrids. And if we have I would say a lot of hundreds of hybrids, so it's difficult to evaluate their performance using naked eye. So that's why we are using the UAV-based phenotyping. I will be happy to share more results in my poster. And so if I talk about the spectral indices, I try to find every indices which we can find by using 5 bands that are red, green, and blue, and near infrared and red edge. And total of that, I found 83 indices, but not all indices are correlated with yield, as yield is a complex trait. So there are some interesting results I found it, which I would be like to show in my posters. My poster number is 80. So please, if you guys have any questions, please come at my poster. Thank you.